Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk, is it time to buy stocks? In fact, 1 or 2 years before, frequently I discussed about some shares like PFC, REC. I think I also came out with a video about a story explaining how all those things came up. Those stocks were trading with a huge dividend yield, better than the bank FD return. So by investing in those stocks, even if price goes down, once, there's a saying in English, they say every dog has its day. Like the PSU stocks, which has been underperforming for so many years. Look at the stock like Indian Overseas Bank, which was trading around 280, 300 rupees in 2008. From 300, it went up to 10 rupees. Now from 10 rupees, it has gone to 60, 70. So at some point of time, the prices may go higher. Until then, you can wait patiently because you are getting a FD return. So that was the logic behind in recommending those kind of stocks. But now people keep asking me, sir, can you recommend some stocks now? Okay. This is not like, as and when you want, you can always find some stocks. Now markets are at all-time high. And mid-cap and small-cap indices have shot up like anything for more than a year. And according to some informed sources, even many fund managers, they stop taking money from the new clients. Even if new clients approach, even if they want to pay money, they tell, sir, we are not taking. Or some people, they tell openly, sir, even if you give us now, 1 year, 1.5 years down the lane, you will be asking the money back. So clearly those fund managers are seeing that the mid-cap and small-cap indices, the space is actually overbought. The valuation is very, very high. So that's why they are not able to identify, some stocks that can potentially give good return. And not only that, for any country, the biggest risk for a stock market is the political stability. In another 2 to 3 months, so there's this almost February, March, April, May, maximum 3 months. So there's a parliament election and it's a do or die for both BJP and Congress, or NDA and UPA, or NDA or India Alliance, we can say. So things are not going to be, that easy, right? And anything can happen. I always say, I'm ready to predict anything in my life except political outcome. What happened in Brexit? What happened in 2016 US elections? Most of the people could not predict. So anything can happen. But all I can tell you one thing, if BJP wins once again, the markets may not move significantly higher because that BJP win has already been factored in the markets. That's why Nifty shot up from 19,000 to 22,200 in the last 2 or 3 months. But in case BJP loses, the market can crash very big. But again, it will happen exactly like 2016, what happened in US. In US, they said if the Trump comes, the market will crash. The Trump came, the market crashed. Then after that, the biggest bull run in US market came in Trump period only. So the same way, if BJP loses, if opposition, the present opposition, if they become a ruling party, the market will crash. But another 1 or 2 years down the lane, the markets will shoot up. So if you are ending up that kind of situation, then that is the best time to invest in stock market. But right now, if you invest, if BJP wins also, market will not go much higher. If BJP loses, market will crash. So the risk reward is actually not in your favor. The risk is higher, but the reward is lower. And especially if you are trading in mid-cap and small-cap stocks, so you have to be very, very careful. And however, if you want to invest in some stocks, maybe you can choose through some SIP and some stocks, good quality stocks that has beaten down. So I can give you some examples. HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, and Bharat Forge, and then Hindustan Unilever. So these are all some of the stocks which are down like 15%, 20%, or did not rise for the last 2-3 years. So going forward, so because these are all good quality companies, so going forward, so these stocks may pick up. But if you already buy some overheated stock, then you are not an investor, you are a trader. The traders will always buy the overbought stocks. The traders will always sell the oversold stocks. But investors, you have to be on the opposite side. So therefore, this election uncertainty is one of the biggest risk. And in fact, in another 6 months, US election is also there. Though US election may not affect Indian markets much, but Indian election will definitely affect our market. So if you are looking to invest for long term, I will not suggest at this point of time. At least I will ask you to wait until the elections are over. However, if you are taking a view of the election results, that is a different story. So it is surely time to be cautious. So please stop asking me to recommend any stocks. Okay, until the elections are over, I will not be recommending any stocks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.